Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PayPal can't send money. First, let's cover some initial checks. Make sure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can prevent transactions. Next, confirm you have enough funds in your PayPal balance or that your linked bank account or card is active and has sufficient credit. Finally, quickly check PayPal's official status page for any widespread service issues. These simple steps often resolve many common sending problems. Moving on, your account status is crucial. Ensure your PayPal account is fully verified. Unverified accounts often have sending limits. Take a moment to review your account for any limitations or restrictions that PayPal might have placed, as these can block transactions. Also, it's vital to double-check the recipient's email address or phone number. Even a single incorrect character can cause the payment to fail or go to the wrong person. Sometimes, the issue lies with your payment method or browser. Try updating or re-adding your linked bank accounts or cards in your PayPal wallet to ensure they are current and active. If you're using a web browser, clear its cache and cookies, then restart it. This often resolves minor glitches. Alternatively, attempt the transaction using a different browser, like Chrome versus Firefox, or switch to the convenient PayPal mobile application. This can bypass browser-specific problems. If you've tried everything else, it's time to contact PayPal customer support. They can access your account details and provide personalized assistance for your specific sending problem. While you're there, if you notice any suspicious activity or unauthorized transactions, report them immediately to PayPal's security team. Finally, for enhanced security, always enable two-factor authentication on your account. This adds a crucial extra layer of protection against unauthorized access, keeping your funds safer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.